Hi, I'm Haley, and today we're going to be making a super easy Oreo milkshake. Let's get started. So we're just going to put all of the ingredients in the blender. I have 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and then I'm going to add in 8 Oreos. Ow, my hand. Oh, I love Oreos. Perfect. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna pour in my milk now. I need to be careful. I'm gonna start with a 1/3 cup, but you can add more if you want it to be less thick. Perfect. And we're just gonna blend it all together. And if you want, you can top it with another Oreo. You can dip your Oreos in it too for like an Oreo dipped Oreo. Now I'm gonna try it. That's very good. This is perfect because it's only 4 ingredients and it's just really simple because you can put it in a blender and then whip it up and you have a really good Oreo milkshake. Well, thanks so much for making this with me today. Let me know if you try it out at home, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.